A new option, OD compensation, has been added to all the NMIL tool types. So square NMIL, corner radius, ball nose, or anywhere you use the OD finish, there has been a new feature called the compensate OD, and you can either use user input or iView. Basically, if you have the iView, you can actually run the iView and nominate different X positions and compensate. Or alternatively, if you don't have the iView, you can go into the user input and you can nominate the number of samples, and then you can nominate the X position based on where you want it. And if you want to have equal spacing, all you have to do is just click on equal spacing, and then it automatically comes to equal spacing. So when you are doing long series end mills, if there is deflection or there is a back taper or something you want to eliminate on the OD, this is the best way to compensate long series end mill.